For today's video, I'm going to walk you through this roasted bone-in pork loin with sweet garlic potato puree and buttery caramelized onions, apples, and fennel with sage. This is a great recipe to have around the winter months, so let's get into it. Alright, so you are going to start by crushing and peeling some fresh garlic cloves. Then you're going to put those cloves into a pot with butter and bring it to a low simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the garlic is super tender. Peel your Yukon Gold potatoes until there are absolutely no blemishes on the surface. It's okay to be a bit picky here. Then you're going to cut them into quarters and place those quarters into cold salted water. Bring that up to a good simmer until the potatoes are fully cooked, but be careful about overcooking them so they don't fall apart. Once they are fully cooked though, strain them and allow the potatoes to steam off for a few minutes. Then you're going to pass them through a fine mesh strainer with the sweet garlic. Heat up your cream with the garlic butter. Then you're going to stir in the hot cream a third at a time until the potatoes are very creamy. Season the puree with salt, cover and set aside in a warm area. Next up, we are going to cut our onions, fennel, and apples into chunky wedges. Just make sure to keep the root attached for the onion and the fennel on this one. Once they're all cut up, you're going to roast these off in a hot pan with butter and a little salt and pepper until they have a really good caramelized color. Pour in the apple cider and reduce this by about 1/4. Then finish this off in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. Now it's time for the bone-in pork loin. Season with salt and black pepper on both sides. Then you're going to roast these off in a hot pan with oil until they have a really good color on them. Right before this goes into the oven, you're going to baste with butter, crushed garlic, and sage for a minute or two. Then finish this off in the oven for the last 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the oven. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. But you're looking for an internal temperature of around 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a proper medium to medium well pork loin. At this time, you can chiffonade or slice up some fresh sage and add it to the caramelized veg. Remove the bone from the pork loin, slice it up, season with crunchy salt, and it's time to plate this up. So you're going to place the potato puree down first and make a well straight into the center. Put a few spoonfuls of the buttery caramelized veg onto the potatoes. Then you're going to place the sliced pork down, spoon some of the drippings from the pan right over the top of the pork, and this dish is ready to go. This dish could easily be served at an upscale bistro, but the reality of this recipe is one of actually affordability, believe it or not. In total, I believe I spent around $15 on everything, but the meal felt like a feast for 3 or 4. Just a good reminder that if you know what you're doing, you can turn ordinary ingredients into something really special. If you enjoyed the recipe as much as I did, make sure to hit that like and share button, drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on the video, and subscribe to stay tuned for more content. I will see you very soon with another round of delicious ingredients. Later, folks.